Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your Blogger template to a custom template. This is a great way to give your blog a fresh, professional look that stands out from the standard options Blogger provides. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to goibtotemplates.com. This is a popular site where you can find a variety of free and premium Blogger templates. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to browse through the available options. You'll see different categories and styles to choose from. For this example, let's select the Fabulous template. Scroll through the templates until you find it, then click on it to view more details. This will show you a preview of what the template looks like and give you an idea of how it will transform your blog's appearance. Next, click the Download button. This will save the template as a zip file to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, it might download automatically to your Downloads folder, or you might be prompted to choose a location. Just keep track of where it's saved so you can find it easily in the next step. Now, open your file browser and locate the zip file you just downloaded. Right-click on the zip file and from the context menu, select Extract Files. This will unpack the contents of the zip file. You'll want to extract it to a location you can easily access. Once extracted, open the folder and look for a subfolder called Custom Theme. Inside this folder, you should find an XML file, which is the actual template file we'll be uploading to Blogger. With the template file ready, it's time to head over to Blogger. Open a new tab in your browser and go to blogger.com. Sign in if you haven't already, and you'll be taken to your Blogger dashboard where you can see all your blogs. On the left side of the screen, click on Theme. This section is where you manage the overall appearance of your blog. You'll see your current theme displayed here along with various customization options. Now, click on the drop-down menu next to the Customize button. From the options that appear, select Restore. This option allows you to upload a new template file to replace your current theme. A dialog box will pop up. In this dialog, click Upload. This will open a file browser window where you can navigate to the template file you extracted earlier. Navigate to the custom theme folder we opened earlier and select the XML file from the template you downloaded. Once you've selected it, click Open or Confirm, depending on your system. Blogger will then upload and apply the new template to your blog. This might take a few seconds as the platform processes the file and updates your blog's appearance. And that's it. Your Blogger blog now has a completely new custom template applied. You can visit your blog's public URL to see the changes live. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.